Okay, this next question is quite a fiddly question, but nonetheless it's one that we can do, and we can do quite straightforward, okay? So it says that the logo is a square and it's got 4 pink circles, okay? The square has a side length of 16 centimeters. So we need to find the percentage of the logo that is white, okay? The percentage of the logo that is white. So the first thing I'm going to do is, I'm going to cancel the calculator from the previous question. But then the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to work out the total area of the white square. And that, of course, is 16 squared. 16 squared is 256. So if I just jot that down there, I can say square is 256 centimeters squared. So I know that, okay? What I then need to work out is the area of each of these circles. Now, if you look at these circles, you'll see that there are 2 of them in the 16 centimeter area, which means that the diameter of each circle will be 8. I'm going to use the radius. Half of 8 is 4. So, of course, to find out the area of a circle, the area is pi r squared. So that's going to be, in this case, that the area is 4 squared is 16, so 16 pi. Okay. So what I then need to remember is that I've got 4 circles. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I need to work out the total area of the pink, which is going to be 4 times 16 pi, which is actually 64 pi. So now I've got the total area of the shape and the total amount of pink. Okay, so I can then say that the area of the white, as can be seen, is 256 subtract 64 pi. And if I pop that into my calculator, 256 take away 64 pi gives me 54.9 centimeters squared. Okay, don't make the mistake of thinking the question's over, because you'll see that it wants you to find the percentage of the logo that's white. So if I'm looking for the percentage of the logo that's white, then what I need to do is I need to say 54.9 divided by 256, and then I multiply that answer by 100, and that gives me my final answer. So I've got the accurate answer in my calculator at the moment. So I divide that by 256, which gives me this. Multiply that by 100, and I get 21.460%. So my final answer, as I'm going to write it, is going to be 24. No, it's not. It's going to, sorry, my mistake. It's going to be 21.46%. Okay. Sorry about that mistake. That was me not reading the calculator properly. This question was worth 5 marks altogether. So this is a prime example that if you're not sure about all of it, have a go at the bits you know. Work out the area of the square. See if you can work out the area of the circles. See if you can then work out the area that's white. You've not got the final answer, but you've done quite a lot of maths there, okay? So this is one that is definitely worth digging with and doing the best you can with, okay? So there we go with that. Hopefully that's helped. Thank you.